Another tariff attack on China. So guys, what's going on with this tariff? I'll explain what's actually happening, how it affects sellers like us, and what you should really be doing or not doing right now. Let's break it down simply. Alright, here's what's going on right now. Trump just said there's going to be a 90-day pause on tariffs, but only for countries other than China. Sounds good at first, but it's not as simple as it sounds. About 65% of Amazon sellers get their products from China. If you're sourcing from India, Vietnam, or the USA, you are in a good spot right now. But if your stuff comes from China, you might be hit with up to 125% tariff on top of the normal import fees. Yeah, not fun. So, what should sellers do right now? First thing first, don't panic. Seriously, don't do anything drastic yet. Don't raise your prices. Don't start changing your listings unless your inventory is already landing at the port today. Chill. Why? Because this tariff news is all over the place. One day it's huge, the next day it shifts, so wait and watch. Things can change fast. Be smart with your strategy. Right now your job is to understand your numbers, figure out your cost, how much you are paying for the product and shipping, and your margin. And remember, if your landed cost doubles, that doesn't mean you need to double your selling price. If your $5 item is now cost $10 to get to the USA, you don't have to jump from $40 to $80 retail. Also, talk to your suppliers in China. They are probably just as stressed as you. This might be a good time to ask for a better deal. Let's not forget Amazon increases its fees all the time. Even when they say they are not going to raise referral fees in 2025, they still bumped up fees on coupons, storage, and promotions. So if you are survived that, you can handle the tariffs easily. Don't treat this like it's the end of the world. Play smart, not scared. Focus on your pricing and how well your listing convert. Here is some Warren Buffett wisdom. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. If everyone's raising prices right now and you don't, you might win the buy box more often and rank higher while others lose sales. Should you switch manufacturers? Thinking about leaving China? For most sellers, that's not realistic right now. India, Vietnam, Mexico, yes, they are options, but they are not always cheaper. Even with higher tariffs, China might still be the best deal. So, renegotiate, stay flexible, and don't rush to move. So, when should you actually take action? If your shipment is already on the way or arriving soon, then yeah, prepare to adjust pricing. But base your price on what others are doing and how your product is converting. If you can keep your price low while others raising theirs, you might grab more sales and rank better. What about the long term? Will these tariffs last forever? Probably not. Most likely there will be a deal soon. Maybe China will agree to buy more US stuff or something politically changes. Either way, you are thinking ahead, which puts you in a good position. So, here's the bottom line. Don't panic, don't rush, and don't make any emotional decisions. Tariffs might be frustrating, but they are not a death sentence. If you're taking the time to understand your numbers, talking to your suppliers, and think strategically, you will be ahead of the curve while others are still reacting. This is just one of many challenges in e-commerce, and like every time before, smart sellers will adapt and come out stronger. And hey, if you're feeling stuck, unsure what to do next, or just need help breaking down your cost, we have got your back. Reach out us at info@ecomclips.com. We will help you navigate this with a calm head and a clear plan. You have got this, let's move forward.